Here I got the 4hawks Raptor SR, and I'm going to put this on the Mavic Air. Now if you've seen my previous video, I actually got it to just over 2 miles with the Mavic Air with stock antennas and everything stock on it. 4hawks thinks of everything. They give you all the little tools. You got the brackets, the wires, everything, but they thought of everything. I mean, seriously, what a great, just opening impressions. I'm impressed because honestly, I didn't have one of these in my house. So I was actually going to borrow it from a buddy, but it's all there. So I'm not going to do an installation video because number one, if I mess it up, I look like a jack. And number two, there's about 50 of them on there, including on the 4hawks website that have tutorials on how to do it. So they're going to do it way better than I would do it. But I just kind of want to show you the opening, the unboxing, and then we're also going to weigh everything out. I'm going to put it on a scale, which I've already did. This is just a regular Mavic Air controller, weighing in at 9 7/8 ounces. So when I get further along down the video and after we get this thing assembled, you're going to see what it weighs at then and see if it's really that much heavier. Alright guys, so we got the Raptor all installed and everything, and took it out for a test flight. It flew phenomenal. You know, turned our back literally to the drone as it was like about a half mile away, and full signal, no signal drop, no nothing. I mean, look guys, look how cool this looks actually. You know, it's a little bit bigger. It is a little bit heavier. I definitely feel the difference, but not enough to complain. Not for the range you're going to get. And I'm not really concerned about the range distance-wise, but like if I'm flying in the city, if I'm flying in like a heavy like woodsy area, I don't want my signal to drop and have my drone fall in the middle of somewhere and having to go drone hiking. So let's check this out and see how much it actually weighs. Now, when we weighed it last time, it was 9 7/8. And right now we are at 15 3/8, 15 1/2. Let's just round it up to about 6 ounces difference. Again, not a huge difference when you're actually flying the drone and whatnot. But guys, I cannot wait to get the range test going to see how much further it went. If you check out my other video on a stock controller, we just pushed it over 2 miles. I'm hoping to get an additional mile to 1.5 miles off that. That would be phenomenal. I also would like to put a shout out to 4hawks. These guys, just unboxing it, very professional, supplying the tools, little screwdrivers, and check out my next video where we actually take this bad boy on a range test. Take it easy.